everyone, this is Chitra here from Bangalore. As you can see, I'm right in the Enagic office. I'm standing here. This is the entrance. I'm going to take you through the office a little bit so you get to know how it looks like. So this is the entrance. As you can see, there we have so many certificates. All the certificates that the company has for manufacturing. So like you can see the Water Quality Association certificate, and this is for patented business plan. And we have ISO 14001, and we have this is a design and manufacture of electrolysis water generator for medical and general use. This is the certificate we have, and this is for the Enagic's business plan. We have a patented system which cannot be copied by any other company, and we have this certificate which says that our devices are approved by Ministry of Health and Labor in Japan. And these are again some more certificates for your reference. Okay, and what you see here is SD501 machine, and we have a lot of things. Yes, you can see we have offices. We have offices in so many places. In Ajax, you can see in Germany, Italy, Portugal, Malaysia, Thailand, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Los Angeles, Indonesia, Texas, Mexico, India over here, Vancouver, Toronto, New York, Florida, and Brazil. So many different countries we have the branches, and you can see here this is the dispatch. This is the dispatch section wherein you can pick up the machine, and I'll take you to the display of all the machines over here. As you can see, this is a junior machine, and this is K8, which is the latest one. This is Anespa, and we have some accessories over here, and this is the commercial model. Over here is the commercial model, and we have SD501. As you can see, the plates for Super, the number one, the daddy of all machines, Super 501, we have two sets. This 5 plates is for generating clean disinfecting water, and this 7 plates is for generating drinking water. And you can see the size of Kangen 8 over there. That's pretty much big compared to Junior, which is the entry level machine. And this is the standard SD501. All of us as the distributors we use. Right. So this is the storeroom we have here. Storeroom over here. And come over. And, we have a seminar room. We have the seminar room over here, seminar room 1. And we have some seating arrangements there.